Hi students, now we are going to understand the concept of relationship between zeros and coefficients of a quadratic polynomial. Students, with the help of one example here, you see the concept which is related here is zero and coefficient of a quadratic polynomial. So how to find out the relationship between these two here? So here we have an example. Find the zero of a given polynomial and verify the relationship. So how to find, students? It's very easy to understand. Let the same routine story, p of x equals to 2x square minus 8x plus 6. And you are aware of factorization. Already maybe you have learned in 9th standard, students, how to factorize the given quadratic polynomial here. It's very easy, right? Now factorize the given expression, students. So here the middle term plays major role here. Yes. So first assume that 6 into 2, you know that 6 into 2 equals to 12. Yes. And at the same time, you know that minus 6 minus 2 equals to minus 8. Yes, exactly. When we multiply these two, we have 12. When we add these two, we have minus 8x. So exactly 6 and 2x square, these two are exactly suitable to split minus 8x into two terms. Yes, minus 6x minus 2x equals to minus 8x. So let us begin, student, without wasting any time. See, 2x square minus 8x plus 6 here. So what happened when you split minus 8x into minus 6x minus 2x? Yes, you are very smart, you can understand. 2x square minus 6x minus 2x plus 6. Constant term has written as it is. No confusion. Now 2x square minus 6x square. So how to write 2x into x minus 3? You know that. So 2x into x, 2x square, 2x into minus 3. Yes, minus 6x. You know very well. As usual, 2x plus 6. So 2 into x, 2x here we have taken 2 as common. Then minus into minus will become plus here. Yes, here write minus. 2 3s are 6. So what are the factors here? First factor is 2x minus 2. I have written as it is. What are the two other factor? Out of these two, we will take only one, student. So x minus 3 is the factor. Don't take 2. So when we take here also 2 as common, so what happens? 2 into x minus 1 and x minus 3. So when you compare with 0, then 2 will become 0 when you transpose it to left hand side. So finally we have x minus 1 and x minus 1 and x minus 3 are the zeros of 2x square minus 8x plus 6. So 2x square minus 8x plus 6. So is 0. When it will become 0? When x minus 1 equals to 0. Here we have x minus 1. And or x is equal to 1. When it will become 0? When x minus 3 equals to 0. Or x equals to minus 3. So it's very clear to understand. Now we are going to find out the relationship between zeros and coefficients. So by the general form, we have sum of its zeros equal to alpha plus beta, right? So alpha plus beta is written as 1 plus 3, students here. So what is first 0? 1. What is second 0? 3. Just add these two. When you add these two, you will get 4. So what is the general formula, students? Minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Right? What is the coefficient of x, students, here? Minus 8. What is the coefficient of x square, students, here? 2. So when we write minus 8 of minus 8 by 2, when we simplify this, what do you get here? You will get 4. You see, here we have 4 and here also we will get 4. Now with this, we have proved that there is a relationship between zeros and coefficients. So this is zeros, this is comparison with the coefficients, right? Coming to product of its zeros. How to find out the relationship between? So product of its zeros means, you see here 1 into 3 equals to 0. Just I am just multiplying 1 and 3 here. When we multiply 1 and 3 here, what happens? So as usual, by the general form to find out the relationship. So this is the general form when in the case of products. So constant term by coefficient of x square. What is the constant term here, students? You see constant term is plus 6. What is the coefficient of x square? Yes, 2. So what happens? 6 by 2. So here we have written 6 by 2. What is the answer 6 by 2? Yes, you know that 6 by 2 is nothing but 3. So here we have 3. So here we will get 3. Hence, we have proved there is a relationship between zeros and coefficients of a quadratic polynomial, student. So it's very easy to understand. Try to understand the concept and continue remaining problems. Thank you.